Hello everybody, hello. Welcome to my channel, Monique Pacapala. This is a pleasure to have you today again in my kitchen. So, today we're having something special. It's simple and special. So we're gonna have something called Malanga Burger. All right, you know Malanga by now, you know it, right? We had this before. Remember Malanga? See that? Yeah. We have Malanga, that's what we use for the akra. If you haven't seen that before, you can go back and watch how to make akra. We use Malanga for akra. We also use the Malanga for the soup jumeau. Okay? So this time we're gonna have Malanga. We're gonna use it to make burgers. Okay? Instead of having beef burgers, sometimes, for a change, you can use just Malanga for a change. And I know if you like the akra the last time, so you're gonna love the Malanga burger. You need to try it too. You don't have to be vegetarian to enjoy the Malanga burger. Some people call it akra burger because, it tastes like akra, but it's like the burger style. So you can use it. We have the bread. I have of course, the Malanga. You can find Malanga from Publix. I don't know if Walmart has it. You can try. But I know Publix, definitely. You can find it from Publix sometimes. And any Caribbean market, any Caribbean stores, you can find Malanga. And African, of course, you can find Malanga. And Chinese, the Chinese store too, you can find Malanga there too. Of course, I have one of my green peppers, onion. I have a large tomatoes for my burger. Some people like lettuce in their burger, so you can add some lettuce if you like it. Also, I have my burger bread here. You know what it is by now. I don't have to mention this. That's pickles. Pickles goes to everything. So I'm gonna add some pickles to my burger. I also can have some pickles, spread some pickles when I finish my burger. I can spread some in there. So it's up to you. If you don't like pickles, don't add it. If you don't like spicy or hot food, don't use this. Just don't use any hot stuff in there. But if you do, you can use the pickles. If you don't have pickles, you can use any hot sauce. Any hot sauce you have, you can use that too. Like you see, it's simple. It's not a big deal. We're gonna use a grater. We're gonna use the fine part of the grater to grate the Malanga. And then we're gonna fix it, bake the burger, and then come back, and then we're gonna grill the bread and add all our vegetable like a real burger. It's a burger. It's a hamburger. Well, not hamburger, but you'll see. You're gonna have the Malanga burger. Instead of the hamburger, you're gonna have the Malanga burger. So I hope you enjoyed this dish with me and have fun when you make it. And then comment down below, like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you liked it and how did you like it. And you can also send me some pictures. I'd like to see the picture of your burger. You can send me some pictures too. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna leave the music on and then do my thing, and then I'm gonna let you watch. I'm not gonna talk too much today. I'm gonna let you watch what I'm doing. So I'm not gonna tell you how much to put. Again, some people like their burger full with vegetable and stuff. Some don't. I make mine. You watch how I'm gonna make 4 hamburgers for now. I'm gonna make 4 of them. 4 hamburgers, if you want to call it hamburgers, but like it's made of. It's gonna be made of Malanga. So watch me. If you want to add more to yours, that's fine. If you want less, you can do that too. Okay. All right. got some cheese in there, but you don't have to if you don't like cheese. But I have some cheese in there. Nice, huh? So this is the final result. I'm gonna add a little bit of pickles in it. You don't have to if you don't like it. The final result. This is my burger. I'm going to show you. This is the final result. All right. Nice, huh? I'm ready. Guys, you need to try it. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I hope they have that on the market. It's so delicious. It's not even funny. It's good. It's really good. Wow. To tell you the truth, this is my first time trying it. I love it. All right. I'm just confused. Do you see that? Damn. It's good. Guys. I'm so sorry. This Malanga Burger is so delicious. Try it. Comment down below how do you like it. That's something I think I'm gonna be making more often. I love it. I'm telling you, if you like aqua, you're gonna love this one. So please comment down below how do you like yours. I'm gonna enjoy mine. It is so delicious. Try it. Comment down below, like and subscribe. Woo! See you next time.